Alright, hey guys, it's Sober Vet here. So right now I just got this in the mail. It's a chuck for my new drill here, and I don't know if you can see it. It's a taper, Jacob's Taper 33, and I don't know if you can see that. Got it in the mail today. It came with its own chuck key here, and I bought the Delta drill press here. It's a Delta 11950, and there's the top of it here. And it works pretty good, works pretty well. Turns on here and goes. It's on the lowest setting, so the speed here indicated. But anyways, what we're going to be doing is mounting the chuck onto the arbor. And so it's a Jacob's Taper 33 mounting to a Delta drill press model or whatever 11950, and I ordered one drill press chuck, and it was basically the same thing, but the diameter here of the taper was too large for the arbor, so it fit on real loose, and there was no way that was gonna work. So I had to send that back and reorder a new one. So what we're gonna do is it mentions to go ahead and kind of clean off the drill press arbor and the chuck itself prior to mounting. I don't have it. The video I watched said you can use like some lacquer thinner or what was it? It was I don't know what the other lacquer thinner and I don't know, but here we go. So we're cleaning off the inside of the truck here. So wipe that clean, stuff that in there, give it a twist and kind of clean it up a little bit, I guess. Oh, it was lacquer thinner or acetone. I don't have any of that, so I just used some isopropyl alcohol, so I'm sure that it'll do the same basic purpose. And if it doesn't work, I don't know. I think it'll work though. So we're just cleaning off the arbor here, and so that it mounts securely. So let's cap this up so it doesn't spill. Set that off to the side. So I think this whole process seems fairly easy. That down for now. I just kind of want to see how it feels here. I don't know if you can. It's probably not even working very well. Hopefully it's coming out of here. whoa, that wasn't very much force putting that up there. I mean, I barely even, wow, that really grips on there. I guess that's good to know. I'm barely even I'm just sliding it up there just ever so slightly, and it just stays. So I mean, that's good, I guess. That's what you want. But I'm just touching it. I'm just waiting until the taper, well, that didn't work out, but I'm just touching it barely. So it doesn't take much for it to really grab on there, so I mean, I probably did it right there, but so we'll inch the bench up here, bring the table up as much as we can. Secure it on there, and then I think what we'll do is just drop it down like that. Yeah, I mean, that probably ain't gonna come off there now. I mean, you'd probably really have to pull on that to get it off, you know. Use the side part of this rubber mallet and just hit up on the arbor on the chuck. Just want to kind of hit straight, but you know, I mean, I guess that's it. One more for good luck. There we go. Let's turn it on. Spinning, okay. That's pretty good, yeah? Alright, we'll see.